So the question is, there are total number of 6-digit number in which only all 5 digits 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 appear. So here are the options. We are given 4 options. So to find, we need to select all the 5 digit. So we can use permutation combination by using 5C5. So by solving it we get one way. So now we need to select one more digit to make it a 6-digit number. So we use 5C1 because we need one more digit. So we get 5 ways. So to find the total number of prematuration, we use 6 factorial upon 2 factorial. So now total numbers, so we multiply 5C5, 5C1 and the total number of permutation which is 6 factorial upon 2 factorial, from which by solving we get 5 upon 2 into 6 factorial, which is option D. So option D is correct. Thank you.